It's very close to our house, and there's a golf course there. And all these gum trees.
I'm not sure what this park is called actually.
But yeah, it's close to our house.
But it's got a river running through it.
Yeah, a creek.
A golf course.
Yeah.
Lots of people play golf here. And lots of people walk their dogs here as well.
We were here once before. Maybe a year ago with Luna.
Yeah.
And she was on a leash.
But she got a bit frightened. So we didn't stay long with her.
See, it's a golf course. Blue Para Golf Course.
So this is the Little Para River.
Yeah, that's what it is. It's for members only, and you gotta remember to play golf here. Look at that tree trunk, huge. That is big. Wow, look at that. So there's the golf course. Well, there's some huge and old gum trees around here. And yeah, have a look.
Here, keep your dogs on a leash between 8 AM and 6:30 PM.
The dogs have to be on a leash from AM and 6:30 PM.
So does that mean outside those hours they can be free?
Yes.
Oh.
On those, they're like, yeah.
What's that?
Pretty cool. It's a nice walking trail.
Still a bit flat because we're still getting over bad flu, but
yes, we're recovering slowly. Well, Luna is not with us because she's at home sleeping.
I don't want her to be too far from home. She's pretty safe where she is.
Yeah. In a bed.
Yeah, the last time we were here, Luna was here.
She was on a leash. There you go.
Children's I was saying, is that those bougainvilleas? No.
I'm not so sure
They
what
look
they are.
like paper. They almost look like paper.
Yeah.
Flowers.
They're those ones, similar ones that I filmed at Mitcham railway station, but they're all white colour. Very nice, look at that. Look at the views.
Look how tall that is.
Yeah. That's a huge trunk, yeah. Trunk.
Tree's dead though.
Oh yeah, look. It's cut down. Look at that.
Oh wow.
Very nice gum trees. There's not much water because we now had no rain for
8 months.
8 months now. Only a few drops here and there, and it's all dried up. Look at that.
Look how dry it is.
Yeah. Look at that
There's
here.
steps going all the way down.
Yeah. Nothing's there.
Let's keep moving.
Amigos. Let's cross the bridge. Supposed to be water in there. No, there's nothing.
Even in the deep part, there's some people playing golf over there.
Yeah, there's the golfers. People enjoying the game of golf up there. Just crossing the bridge. There's no water, there's no creek, nothing. It's all dried up. Look at that, people.
Oh, even the deep parts.
Yeah, all dried up.
That is, I've never seen it that dry.
Every time you were here before, there's always some water in there.
It's quite a deep river too.
It's a creek.
It says Little Para. Is that water over there? I didn't find it.
Well, I don't think so. I think it's hardly anything there.
So good luck snakes trying to get a drink. There's no drink here.
Yeah.
You have to go to somebody's backyard and drink their dog's water. If you're a snake. Which I don't mind because I don't particularly like snakes
Look at that.
when I'm walking.
Oh, dry up.
That's horrible. Let's walk a bit. Oh, that's
Right. I like to keep on moving.
Get yourself a step counter and count your steps if you want to lose weight or get fit. Even if you just do little bits at a time.
Here you go.
Oh, okay.
There's a log. Yeah.
This is not really a big park, is it?
I'm not sure. There's some birds up there. So many dead trees here.
Even though it's winter, it's still a warm sunny day for it.
Yeah, it's nice though.
Tiny bit of a chill in the air, but not a lot. Always worried about snakes around here.
I've not seen any snakes around here.
No, you don't see
Lately.
them. You only see them when you stand on them and they bite.
Are these white ferrets, Vaughn?
What?
What are they called?
What one?
Those white birds.
Cockatoos?
My goodness. They're
Yeah.
doing,
I think
oh,
they're sulphur-crested cockatoos, the ones with the yellow crest.
they're doing a lot of damage to the trees, you know.
Oh, don't like this. Could be snakes. I'm going back. I'm going away from them. Probably angry snakes.
See, they're hiding, those birds now. They're not there. Oh. These logs they've been down for months and months.
Somebody's maybe cut that up. There's white ants in that.
Is there?
Is it white ants? Why is it all crumpled?
It's old. It's been cut up.
Maybe somebody's cutting it up for
Trees that
firewood.
came down. You know, just for the animals to hide. Alrighty.
Are you walking this way or?
Nah, going back. There's nothing much to see here because it's all dried up. There's no flowers, there's no water.
There's lots of birds, but that's about it. No.
Few birds and trees. I might go back.
Continue on our walk out this way.
Yeah. There's no water, there's nothing much. Let's see. Few golfers playing golf. That's about it. The creek has really dried up. There's no water at all. It's been had not much rain for, well, say, last 8 months. Only a few drop and drips, but we need rain, people. Yeah. There you go.
So it's Little Tara River Trail, Stroman Park. Share the trail, respect all users. A case of emergency, call 000. Well, it's got all the what trails go where. Oh, and it's got a playground and a recreation precinct as well. Golf seems like a very slow-paced game, doesn't it? Like you're just basically just walking and standing.
Try this.